In this video, I'm going to show you how to move objects in Planner 5D. So to do this, you could use either 2D or 3D mode, and I'm going to show you how to do it in both. So if you are in 2D, you can simply click on the object you want to move, and then you can simply click and drag wherever you want to move it, and then release your mouse button whenever you've moved it, okay? So it's super simple, just move it around, and you're good to go. Now, if you want to rotate it, you can click on it, and then you can use this button over here, click, hold, and then just drag it to the left to the right, and then it's going to rotate just like this, and that way you can move your object as well, okay? Now that's the first way to do it. The second way is inside 3D mode. So if you go to 3D over here, you can just locate the object you want to move. So for example, it's going to be this bed again. I want to click on it, and then I can just basically move it the same way. So use the left mouse button and move the object wherever. Of course, I can go ahead and click on it, and over here I can also hold and drag up and down if I want to, or I could go and of course rotate it around the axis as well, just like I could in the 2D mode. So that's essentially how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.